What's up, Scorpios? Welcome to the channel. Sorry for everybody for the delays. I have not been feeling well. Weather sucks. Still trying to get over whatever this is. But we gonna do a reading anyway for the Scorpios. So let's see what's going on with Scorpio. Let's see what's going on with Scorpio. See how you feeling right now about your person. Scorpio. See how you feeling about your person. Scorpio. Okay, so emotional void popped out. So you could be acting cold or distant towards your person, or you feel like your person's acting cold or distant towards you. They could be detached from you right now. A lot of people are dealing with that right now. Let's see what else. Let's see what else is going on with Scorpio. Because Scorpio, you feeling detached from your person because of some type of lie, fraudulent activities or behavior. Yeah. Yeah, you were suspicious about something and you found out. Yeah, now things are complicated, right? Things are complicated with this person. Let's see what else is going on between Scorpio and our person. We're gonna get some clarifying cards out here so we can see what's going on between you and your person. Between Scorpio and their person. Ooh. Alright. Deception. Yeah, somebody's having a hard time being loyal. Kind of feel like your person's not being loyal, like they're not holding you down, like there's no real stability here. What are they suspicious about? Suspicious. How suspicious here? Suspicious is here because you've been on a crossroads for a while because of their trickery, their lies, and their games. Their bullshit games that they like to play. You know what I mean? You could probably feel like they've taken from you financially, you know? And or like they took from you financially. And lied about it. Maybe this person's like, I'm broke, I don't got no money, I'm broke, I don't got no money. And you're like, you seem like you're a liar, but, you know, you went against your better judgment, and maybe you gave this person money, you know what I mean? Maybe you let them move in with you, yeah. And now you feel like things should end, like it should finally end. So let's see what else is going on. What's going on with Scorpio? What's the challenge for Scorpio? What's going on between Scorpio? Scorpio. Woo! Scorpio on that person. Scorpio. What's going on with Scorpio? Let's keep going to Scorpio. Story here. Ooh. Someone's very intuitive. Someone's sixth sense or someone is very powerful. Yeah. Got it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright. So you're trying to make a decision if you should move on with this person. If this person's being honest with you. you should marry this person or have a relationship with this person. Okay. The advice. Let's get some advice. The advice for the collective. How should they handle their person? How should the Scorpions handle their person? Okay. Ooh. So far, I'm liking this. Bam, bam, bam. Y'all see how this all like clarified each other? It's really pretty dope. Okay. Okay. So your person's fine. Or, you know what I mean? Like, you think they're fine. They're fine. They're fine. So the advice, yes, they're attractive. Yes, everybody wants them. It is safe to give to them. This is what this is saying. Have an honest conversation about your anxieties and about your fears, about, you know, about their loyalty and their inability to be stable or to give you that security that you're looking for. And in the end, you're going to see the outcome that you're expecting with the Justice card here. You're going to win. Some of you need to relax and let it just happen with the Four of Swords here. So, and the Four of Swords fell on top of the High Priestess card. So, some of you are very intuitive. Everybody, I mean, you're very spiritual. You're very intuitive. You could even be a magical worker or whatever it is. The case is, I mean, the situation is relax. Relax. Let your spirit guides, let the ancestors, let God, let your prayers, let your manifestations happen. You're not allowing them to happen. It's the energy is like, I want it now, 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 I want it now. You know what I mean? Do this and you will see money. There could be complications with a tough conversation with your person, but don't be it could revolve. Okay, so when you express to your person about your anxieties and about the things that you're feeling, you know what I mean, and about your worries or whatever, they might be a little like quick to be like, I'm loyal, I told you I was done, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? Don't let that scare you or whatever, or remind you of their toxic behaviors that they used to do like in the past or whatever. Because at the end of the day, it is going to become a 10 of Pentacles situation. Happy home, happy family, super balanced. You know what I mean? I just said super balance, right? With the Temperance card. Balance, 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 right? A lot of patience. Person sexy, very sexy. But I do see this worth investing in, worth growing, taking the action. I just said worth investing in and doing the work. So to have this love. This is crazy. This is a great reading for you. Like, I love this. So it started with like, you're wondering, you're like, okay, can I trust this person? Yeah, you can trust him. Were they a dog in the past? Were they like up to no good? Hey, your person could be up to no good now. Are they emotionally standoffish with their own finances? Do they take from you, but maybe they're not so much, like they don't give? You know what I mean? All of that can change. You know what I mean? Be honest about your feelings and about your intentions, and this should all work out in your favor. Very, very, very good reading. That is really freaking cool. That is really fucking cool. So let's see. I know things might seem complicated right now, but it's a lot of love. A lot of love. A lot of love. Your person loves you. Whether they act like it or not, they love you, okay? So let's get some fairy messages real quick, and then just to wrap up, get some advice, some personal advice, some things. I mean, we all have things that we can do to make ourselves better, right? To just be better human beings in general, right? So let's like get some messages that might be beneficial for you, something you might need to hear. Okay? So let's see. Scorpio. What do they need to hear? Let's lose and miss a moment. Message. Ooh. Y'all see these messages flying out? Like, dang, calm down. Calm down, just kidding. That's too many messages. Alright. Okay, one more shuffle, okay? One more message. Okay, I lied, I want one more. I think that's all we're gonna get, guys. Okay, cool. I asked for one more anyway. Okay, so new beginnings. Trust your new beginnings. There could be new beginnings that you're going through right now. The fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or the birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture ideas. So protect and nurture your babies. This could be a new business venture. Hell, you can have a new baby. Protect your baby. Protect your pregnancy. Protect your mental well-being. Protect yourself, okay? Stargazing. Go outside and look at the stars. I don't know if y'all are living in California, but it's cold right now. But where you're at, it could be like, I don't know, nice out at night. You know what I mean? It's nice in California at night too, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, yeah, go stargazing. When you gaze at the stars, you give yourself fairy focus. Your intuition will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation. So, at the end of the day, yeah, go relax, go stargaze, go sit, look at the stars, breathe in, breathe out, turn yourself around. I'm just kidding. No, but for real, go stargaze. There's something beneficial in stargazing. So, come together. Fairies like to be busy in group with them and showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. So lean on your community, lean on your friends. You know what I mean? Work with people and manifestations. Manifest. Pray. Write down your manifestations. Do your work. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. And now write it down on a paper. Manifestation, step 1. Didn't I say just write? I don't know. Weird. Okay, final love messages for the Scorpios. And I'm going to let y'all go, because we're already over. So let's see. Final messages. Final love messages for their person. Let me get this real quick. Final messages. Final messages. This deck is pretty like finicky, so we'll see if anything comes out for you in this one. Ooh, shit. Shoot. Alright. Some of y'all could have options. Or if you're wondering like, what's going on in my love life? What's going on in my love life? Options are coming. Some of you, this love situation that you're in is going to be a power couple. You know what I mean? Some of you guys are going to start a new family. You know what I mean? Somebody will be reaching out to you soon. Stay open. Have an honest conversation. This whole reading is about honest conversation. Be honest and have an honest conversation. Could be during pillow talk. You could be surprised to find out that, you know, the feelings are very mutual. So do this very soon, collective. Not even collective, but Scorpions. I don't even know why I'm saying collectives. This is a Scorpio reading. Because it's a Scorpio reading, but it's a general reading for the Scorpio sign specific, you know what I mean, placements. So that's why I'm saying that. Like, this isn't a personal reading. So some of the things could fit, some of the things could not fit. Take what fits, leave the rest that don't fit. And if you want more, then hit me up for a personal reading, because I'm pretty good at that. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is what I have for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and come back more, Scorpios. And I'll see you later. Boy!